In this video, we're going to show how to make an announcement in Microsoft Teams. So here we are in a Microsoft team. You can see here we're in a training demo team. We're only going to show you how you can create an announcement on any of the channels from within your team. So here we're in the general channel. And as this is similar in every channel, we have the option to post conversations within a channel. So you can see I'm in the post tab here. Down the bottom, I have some conversations that have already been posted that I can see, but I also have the ability to start a new conversation. So this is usually where you'll go to create a conversation, to create a message. What I'm going to demonstrate now is how you can create that conversation or message as an announcement. So when you select Start New Conversation, the first thing that you need to do to access the announcements is to click on the A Format button here. And once you open this, you'll notice that you have some additional options that you can manipulate. And one of these is changing it from a new conversation to a new announcement. So if I select the announcement tool, you can see that it changes the boxes, the text for me to fill in, and this changes it to an announcement. So from within here, you'll see that it gives me a headline box. So here I can type the headline for my new announcement. And you'll see within that headline box as well, I have the ability to choose different colours, so perhaps to colour code my announcements. Or I can even choose to upload a background image to sit behind. So perhaps if my announcement is on a specific topic, I could have an image that supports that topic that I upload. You can just upload those from your device. You'll see here it also automatically asks for me to include a subheading. I don't have to do that, but I can. So this is just a little subheading for your announcement, so maybe a key point. And then you type your announcement in the exact same way that you would type your message. And in there you can include things like your little emojis. Now, a couple of tips. When creating an announcement, I would always recommend that here, rather than just typing the announcement and just creating the message, that you mention perhaps the channel. So in this case, I'm going to start to type channel and bring up the general channel to mention the channel here. Or what I could have done instead is, if I knew it was the whole team, I could have mentioned the name of my team, and as I started to type training demo, I could have mentioned the team. But I'll leave it just as an mention for the channel that I'm posting the announcement in. This just ensures that everybody gets a notification of the announcement as you send it. A couple of other things that you can manipulate. So you can see here, you've got all of these different formatting options, which you'll have for messages as well, not just announcements. But I can also mark my announcement as important. So again, the same way you can mark messages as important, but having that headline box for the announcement as well just makes it really stand out. I can also manipulate whether everyone can reply and respond to my announcement or not. So everyone can reply, or you and moderators, and that means anyone who is an owner within this training demo team can reply. And I can even post my announcement into either multiple channels or multiple teams if I have access to more teams. So this can be really useful if you've got the message that you want to send to a number of channels, or indeed a number of teams, but the message is the same. Then you can do that really quickly and easily in this way. And it'll tell you the channels that you're sending that message to. And then all you have to do is click the arrow send button to send out that announcement. And you can see here, in comparison to the message here, the announcements really stand out. So it's a really useful way of making key important messages stand out. And you can even pin those announcements to the top of the posts. Obviously, you can do that with messages as well, but it can be a really nice way of accessing those announcements. And you can see here, because I've got this little icon here, it's just showing that that announcement was posted in a number of places. Okay, and it's showing me here that this announcement is also pinned. And again, if I want to, I can unpin that. So that's just some simple steps for creating an announcement in Microsoft Teams.